Need a box design? Visit Carstera FX Designs and use discount code JacobViral there, as well as at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Can I get in? Can you tell me real quick what you have and your name?
Name's Chris. It's DJ. 2 ZV5s on a Salt 8K.
Okay. What about your battery and electrical?
It's Limitless G30. Bunch of 0 gauge wires ran to it.
Who built the box?
David Becker.
That looks good. Is that a 10 inch port?
8 inch.
8 inch.
Yep.
You know what it's tuned to?
Roughly 32 hertz.
Okay.
But I peak about 38, something like that.
All right. Does everybody can see the back?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Very nice. That's a nice amp rack. It's good. Did you build the box in or did it slide in? It slid in? Okay. Barely? And you got a Ohmie? Okay. RCA distribution, overdrive, Atwood. Nice. T30. And the Wolfram?
Yep, and the Criminator. The Wolfram was the highest.
Okay. You have a good day. Thank you for showing me. Sounds really good and looks good. I'd love to hear it, man.
Being polite while hitting it right. First much of it, I'm just a flight away.
That does get pretty low.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
No problem.
That does get pretty low. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.